Good evening. Pass board exam for REE. No? For those who are preparing for REE April 2025. Right, so let's go. Example number 3. It says that a group of 5 times 10 to the power of 16 free electrons pass a point in a conductor in 20 seconds. Find the current flowing. So, tingnan natin muna ang given, no? Sa first sentence. So, sabi dito class, a group of 5 times 10 to the power of 16 electrons. Ano ibig sabihin ng 5 times 10 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 16 electrons? A group of 5 times 10 to the power of 16 free electrons. So, meaning class, ang 5 times 10 to the power of 16 electrons is also charge Q. Diba? Tatlo kasi ang unit ng charge. Coulomb, no, electrons, and protons. Right? So, again, no? Ang sabi dito, a group of 5 times 10 to the power of 16 free electrons. So, meaning, ang 5 times 10 to the power of 16 electrons is our charge Q. Pass a point of conductor in 20 seconds. Ang 20 seconds plus is time. So, he is asking for find the current flowing. Find the current flowing. So, he is asking for current I. Again, ano ang unit ng current I? Ampere, no? Yeah. And then ampere, ang ibig sabihin ng ampere or 1 ampere, that is 1 coulomb per seconds. You follow? Ang coulomb class is our charge, no? Ang coulomb, that is our charge Q, and then of course ang seconds is our time. So again, current I is equals to Q over T. Alright, so but be sure our Q must be in coulomb. Right? So ang Q natin dito given is naka-electrons, which is 5 times 10 to the power of 16 electrons. So we have to convert electrons to coulomb. So dapat alam natin class ang tanggalin ko muna ito. Okay, so we have to convert electron or 5, no? 5 times 10, 16 electrons to coulomb. O, dapat alam natin class ang conversion factor ng meron pa dito, remove. Right. Dapat alam natin ang conversion factor ng electrons and to coulomb. Okay, so again, the unit of charge is coulomb, electrons and protons. Pero pag pinag-usapan current class, dapat ang charge Q natin must be in coulomb kasi ang unit ng current is coulomb per seconds. Right? So, the conversion factor for electrons to coulomb is 1 conversion factor, no? CF. Lagyan natin CF. Conversion factor 1 electrons is equivalent to 1.6 times 10 negative 19 coulomb. So, you have to excuse me, you have to memorize this one, right? You have to memorize this one. Every exam talagang lumalabas ito. Okay? Kailangan natin talaga i-memorize ang 1 electrons is equals to 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 coulomb. So how will you convert? Given, meron pa dito. Given, we have to convert electrons, 5. We have to convert Ayan, we have to convert 5 times 10, 16 electrons times, of course, electrons sa baba, taas ay coulomb. So 1 electrons is 1.6 times 10, negative 19 coulomb. So we can cancel out. We can cancel out electrons. Ang naiwan dito plus ay coulomb. Ang naiwan dito class ay coulomb. How much? 516. Ika natin muna, no? Okay, calculator. Wait. Okay, 5. Diba? Okay, 5 exponent 16 ba times 1.6 exponent negative 19 equals what? 8 times 10 negative 3. So this will be 8 times 10 negative 3 coulomb. So ibig sabihin plus ang 5 to the power of 5 times 10 to the power of 16 electrons is equals to 8 times 10 negative 3 coulomb. So ang charge Q natin plus dito naka coulomb na. That's the time we can solve for current I. Sorry. Okay. Current I. Again, no? So since ang charge natin naka coulomb na, no? 8 times 10 negative 3 coulomb, we can already solve for I, which is Q over T. Ano? Yan, no? So our Q is 8 times 10 negative 3 coulomb over how many seconds? How many seconds? Okay, 3 electrons pass a point in a conductor in 20 seconds. So 20 seconds. Again, ang coulomb per second plus, diba? This one is coulomb per second, that is actually ampere. How much? 8. Okay, continue natin. Answer and divided by 20. Sorry, divided by 20. 4 times 10 negative 4. So 4 times 10 negative 4 ampere. Okay, so yan, no? Our current is 4 times 10 negative 4 ampere. So para maganda class, no, gagawin natin itong, para maganda yung answer natin, gagawin natin times 10 negative 3 ampere. So ano ba na ginawa natin class? Ang ginawa natin, nag-add tayo ng para maging negative, para ang negative 4 mo maging negative 3, ano gagawin natin? We have to add plus 1, di ba? So pag nag plus 1 tayo plus, we have to move leftward 1 decimal place. Okay, so eto, di ba? Dito siya. Ayun yung 4 natin, nasaan ang decimal dito, no? So nag-add tayo ng 1, we have to move 1 place. So this will be 0.4. So meaning this one 0.4 times 10 negative 3. So ang 4 times 10 negative 4 is just the same as 0.4 times 10 negative 3. Pareho lang ito. Okay? Ang target lang natin class para maging negative 3 kasi ang negative 3 is milli, no? Then ampere, then 0.4. So current I is equals to 0.4 milliamperes. Okay, so thank you for watching.